New mobile home buyers, I want to walk you through this Palmer. It is a 1,800 square foot open floor plan, 3 bed, 2 bath, one take, no edits. Let's get started. Here's what it looks like on the outside. This house is actually on the lot. It's 3 bed, 2 bath, 1,800 square foot, 68 by 28, manufactured by Clayton Homes. All right, so let's get started here. All right, so let's go over the layout. And what you have is this is actually your front door. You come in this way and you have your primary bedroom here. You have your primary bathroom here. It's huge. You have a large walk-in shower, and this can actually be a tub if you need it to be a tub. You come here, you have a closet, you have a his and hers, and you head back this way. You have the dinette on this side. You can fit a 6 person to 8 person. You can also enjoy a large island, and you have tons of counter space, huge closet. Somebody can sleep in here. I've been in this. Somebody can sleep in here. This thing is giant. It's a giant pantry. Then you have the open floor plan, fireplace over here. Come this way, you have 2 bedrooms. You have your laundry room with the laundry room sink. The the washer dryer go right here. And a little mudroom area. And then you have the bathroom that has double vanity and shower tub combo. All right, so let's walk this thing. All right. Kind of threw me off because it was the opposite orientation I was expecting. All right, so you have a nice, I believe it's called a foyer, a little area to hang up your jackets, and this is some nice modern furniture you can throw on here. But you have this open floor plan, tons of space. It looks huge when you walk in. Giant island, large dinette area. I'm walking through the public space first, the kind of open space. Large kitchen, nice range. I wonder if it'll let you go inside of the. Oh yeah, see, this is a hidden pantry. This is what's awesome about this house, the hidden pantry. Nobody is getting a hold of that turkey for Thanksgiving. Here we go. So look, hidden pantry. Oh man, there's nothing there. Oh man, there's a giant pantry. You could put a bed in here. This thing is giant. Like it is huge. All right, let's go to the primary. Check this thing out. So we're in the primary now. Tons of space. You can fit a queen or a king. Primary bath here. It's huge. It's one of those we call them like glamour baths. Huge bathroom. Uh, Extra closet here, or you can have a tub. Coming in this way, you have the nice built-ins, his and hers, and you have the double vanity. All right, heading back this way. This home is in the 190s, by the way. 190s. You're definitely getting some of the nicer fixtures, that more luxurious look. And this is, pretty much what it looks like on the inside. I mean, it's very nice, large space. This is the hallway. We're heading to the guest bath, shower tub combo. Now we're in the bedrooms here. 2 bedrooms, good size. This is your back door, and you have this laundry area, giant sink, uh, linen closet, linen closet, and washer dryer combo. All right, let's go back to the center. So let's say, this is what the kids would travel, kids or guest room. This is how they would get to the main space, where you have your nice living room, entertaining area, large island, watch a football game, enjoy the fireplace. All right, so this is the floor plan again. And this house is in the 190s, and it's more of a, established house. It is a nice house that, you might want to be in for a little bit longer than maybe a couple of years. It's we're getting out of that starter home and getting more into the, you're established, you might have a family, and you're ready to start, enjoying some of the fruits of your labor, if you will. So definitely come check out this house. My name is Jesus. I'm located in upstate South Carolina. We do new manufactured homes. Shoot me a text. It'll be in the description if you want to reach out to me. Like and subscribe if you like this content. I am doing uh, 2 pieces a week. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.